We are here in Don Narciso Cafe with the owner, with the current battalion commander nung pumalit sa lineage namin as commander of 58 IB. Tinatamasa po natin ngayon yung magandang lugar, peaceful. The tourism is booming. Si Ma'am Ana, owner ng Don Narciso Cafe, is a testament of our victory, yung pagtutulungan ng militar, PNP, government agencies at saka mga private sector na naniwala talaga sa kakayahan ng gobyerno, kakayahan ng Philippine Army na protektahan sila, at nagkaroon tayo ng collaborations at nagtagumpay tayo sa Highway 955 na ito. And then ngayon, pagpatuloy ni Lieutenant Colonel Grisola ang pag-sustain sa mga tagumpay ng ating Philippine Army, ng 58 IB dito sa area ng Claveria at Hingoog, lalong-lalo na dito sa Highway 955. Leo, before natin ibigay kay Ma'am Ana ang for the closure, no? Ano yung mapapromise mo ngayon sa mga stakeholders natin ngayon, represented by Ma'am Ana, na ikaw na ngayon yung battalion commander ng 58 IB?
At saka ano ba ito dati?
Ano sir, ang 58 IB ay patuloy na ano sir na magpe-perform sa kanyang mission sir. Kasi yung peace, security, ang sum up niyan, ang total is development. So we are here to secure itong area so that yung mga katulad ni ma'am na nagnenegosyo ay maging progressive yung ating negosyo dito at magtatamasa yung locals na yung mga local dito na na trabaho magbo-boom ma'am, no. So we are here to sustain the peace.
Ma'am, please invite everyone to your beautiful place.
Before that, first of all, in behalf of all the investors here in Claveria, we would like to thank po Colonel Canatoy, thank you so much. Thank you po. Thank you po for being with, for helping the Claveria, us to invest confidently. And everyone, I would like to invite you po to visit Don Narciso Cafe and Restaurant. It's located po in Zone 6, Route 955, Claveria, Misamis Oriental. So see you po.
Thank you, and it's raining.